How to fix the issue where your HP laptop keeps shutting down automatically. Now I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue, so you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. Now the first thing you need to do is click on your Start menu and then go and open up the settings. Over in the left-hand navigation, select System and then click on Power and Battery. Now click on Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts, and where it says Turn my screen off after, click on the drop-down arrow and we're just going to set this to Never. You'll also need to do the same for this bottom one as well, and we're also going to do the same for the On Battery. So make sure both of these options are set to Never like so. And once you've done this, go and close out of this window. You're then going to open up the Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Click on the drop down arrow in the top right hand side and select Large Icons. You could then click Power Options and click on Choose what the power button does. You could then press Change Settings that are currently unavailable and go and uncheck this option next to Turn on Fast Startup and then go and press Save Changes. Once you've done this, close out of the window and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then go and open up the Start menu, search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now go and type out the following command SFC // scan now and then press enter. You'll then just need to wait a few minutes while this scans your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. Once the verification gets to 100%, you can then go and close out of this window. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu and then go and search for View Advanced and click on View Advanced System Settings. Next to Startup and Recovery, click Settings, and where it says System Failure, uncheck the option next to Automatically Restart and then press OK and click on Apply and OK. If it's still not working, then you'll need to go and perform a quick reset of your graphic drivers. Now you can do this with a simple key combination. So you need to hold down the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and also the letter B at the same time on your keyboard. Your screen should then temporarily flash black, and once you've done that, that should go and solve the restarting issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.